Most businesses aren't short on leads. They're losing the ones they've already got because a call rings out, a text goes unanswered, or nobody follows up, and the customer just goes to a competitor who gets back to them first. These 6 GoHighLevel automations fix that, so you don't lose out on customers that you could easily have had. You can set these workflows up and test them for 30 days free when you use the sign-up link in the description. 1. Recover every missed call automatically. This first automation catches missed calls and sends the potential customer an SMS message so they don't think you're unavailable. To build it, go to Automation, click on Create Workflow, and then on Select from Template. Choose Auto Missed Call Text Back. This will open up a workflow that you can customize, so you don't have to create it from scratch. A trigger is the thing that fires off this whole automation. Any missed inbound call will start this workflow. You can open this trigger and customize it as you need to. The next thing you need is an action. In this template, there's a small delay after the missed call before doing anything so it doesn't feel like a bot. Then you can assign to a user, so whoever's responsible for booking appointments on your team. Then, the automation will add a missed call tag to the customer who called, so you can look through all the people who tried to contact your business when you're reviewing. Next, it will send an SMS to the lead. You can personalize the SMS message here with your business name or reword the message. Then, a push notification is sent to the user you assigned earlier to let them know to call the lead back as soon as possible. And finally, an SMS is sent to that user too as a reminder. Customize this template, save it, publish it, and test it by calling in from another phone and hanging up, so you can watch the text actually fire before you rely on it. From then on, every missed call gets a reply within seconds instead of going cold, no matter how many come in at once. 2. Turn conversations into booked appointments with AI. This second workflow handles slow replies, where someone might message you at night but book elsewhere by the time you've seen it. For this, use GoHighLevel's Conversation AI. First, make sure you've got a calendar set up under Calendars. Then go to AI Agents and click on Conversation AI. Create a bot and choose Prompt-Based Bot, then Appointment Booking. Under Bot Settings, you'll find supported communication channels. Keep the ones you use and delete the others. Click on Bot Training. Create a knowledge base. Add your FAQs, your services, your prices, and the questions you'd normally get asked. Then click on Bot Goals and change the instructions so that the bot answers the lead's questions, asks them questions to qualify them, and then nudges them to book an appointment. Under Set up your actions, click on Appointment Booking and connect it to your calendar. Now when anyone messages, it replies straight away, qualifies them, and books them into a free slot whatever time it is. 3. Reactivate the leads already in your database. This third workflow wakes up the old leads already sitting in your account. Start in Contacts and build a smart list. Use the advanced filters to pull everyone whose last activity was 90 or more days ago, then save that list. Make sure to add a tag to the names in this list, something like a contact tag. Next, head to Automations and click on Create Workflow, then select from Template. Search for List Reactivation and then open the template up. The trigger is the contact tag. As soon as that tag is applied to the contacts in your smart list, the contact enters this automation. The first action is to send an SMS to the contact. The example in this template is for a teeth whitening service, but you can just adjust this to what your business offers. If they reply yes within an hour, you can send them a link to book an appointment or take whatever action you want them to. If they reply no within an hour, it will message them something like, "No worries." If they don't reply, it will message them again and do the same thing. If your smart list is big, cap it at a few hundred a day so you stay off the carrier's spam radar. This is about the cheapest way to book work there is, since you're not paying for a single new lead. 4. Turn social media comments into leads. This automation turns comments on your social media posts into leads without you having to manually respond to everybody yourself. Before you build the workflow, connect your Facebook page and Instagram business account under Settings, then Integrations, or it won't be able to see your posts. Now go to Workflows and create a new one using the Instagram comment automation template. The trigger is when somebody leaves a comment on your Instagram post. You can set the word that they need to comment for the automation to happen here. The first action is to like the person's comment and then reply. You can customize what the reply should be and include a few variations so it doesn't look like you're replying to everybody with the same thing. The next action is to DM the person. Again, personalize this message. There are 3 possible paths put here in the template that you can adjust. If the user doesn't reply within, let's say 48 hours, you can leave it or follow up. Or if the user asks for more information, you can take them to your website or book a call with them. If you're offering something like a checklist or resource and the user DMs you that they want it, the next action will send them another message with the link in it. A nice bonus is that all those comments push the video out to more people, so you pick up extra reach on top of the leads. 5. Add an AI receptionist to your phone line. This is a great workflow to save time on calls. Go to AI Agents and click on Voice AI. Tap on the mic and say, "I want to add an AI receptionist to my phone line for when I can't take calls for my business." It might ask some follow-up questions. Answer them, and it will create the agent for you. You'll find it here under Agent List. Open it up, and you can see this prompt with a list of instructions. Adjust it however you like. Pick a voice that suits your business and write its greeting and script, so it opens the call, asks your qualifying questions, then either books or transfers to a human. Connect it to your calendar so it can book live during the call, setting a minimum notice like 24 hours. It also logs the whole call in your CRM, so you get a summary and the caller's details. Make sure to test it first by ringing it yourself and booking a slot, so you can smooth out any spot where the script stumbles. The voices are good enough now that most callers don't even realize it isn't a person. 6. Turn finished jobs into a steady stream of reviews. This automation is great for getting reviews without you having to remember to ask. Go to Automation and create a new workflow using the Send Review Request template. There are 3 triggers here. First is when you assign a contact with the one tag or whatever you'd like to call it once you've finished with your customer. The second trigger is when you add a Send Review Request tag to the contact. The third trigger is when an appointment status for a contact is updated to Showed. A contact only needs to meet one of these triggers to start the workflow. You can add or remove triggers as it suits you. The first action is sending the contact a review request via SMS, which you can personalize. This usually includes a review link. Then it will wait for 60 minutes. And then send a review request via email. When you ask for a review straight after the job, you'll get a far better response than waiting a week. Over time, this builds a steady stream of reviews, and that's what makes new customers trust you before they've even picked up the phone. These are some of the most useful workflows you can create and use with GoHighLevel for your business, but there's much more you can do. Use the link in the description for a free 30-day trial to test it out and see for yourself. And if you want to learn more helpful ways to use AI and automation, watch this next.